In this video, we listed the 5 best FDM 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 is a 3D printer designed for enhanced performance and user convenience. It features a self-developed silent motherboard that reduces noise and ensures stable motion, making it ideal for quieter workspaces. Equipped with a UL-certified power supply, it provides fast heating and supports extended printing sessions while enhancing operational safety. The printer includes a rotary knob on the extruder for effortless filament loading and feeding, along with a 4.3-inch smart color screen and an improved user interface for a seamless user experience. Its resume printing function allows the printer to continue from the last recorded position after power outages, saving time and reducing material waste. Additionally, the carborundum glass platform heats quickly, offers excellent adhesion, eliminates warping issues, and delivers ultra-smooth prints, especially on the first layer. With its compact dimensions and durable build, the Ender 3v2 is a reliable and efficient choice for 3D printing projects. Number 2. Original Prusa i3 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the latest iteration of Prusa's award-winning 3D printers, designed for reliability and ease of use. This assembled and tested printer comes equipped with a US power supply, an 8GB SD card, and a free sample of Prusa PLA filament, 2x25G, making it ready to use right out of the box. It features a fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, an IR filament sensor with auto-loading support, and a print pause function when filament runs out. Built with high-quality components like genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and an ENYCUBIC Rambo motherboard, the MK3S Plus is designed to be a dependable 3D printing workhorse. With its durable plastic and metal construction, a sleek silver finish, and compact dimensions, 19.6 inches by 21.6 inches by 15.7 inches, it weighs 10.9 kilograms. Prusa Research also provides lifetime technical assistance and 24/7 professional customer service to ensure a seamless user experience. Number 3. QIDI Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X Max 3 is a high-performance, large-format 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners. It offers a spacious build volume of 325 by 325 by 315 mm, with an impressive maximum speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm s² acceleration, ensuring fast and precise printing. Featuring a robust all-metal frame, a 6 mm aluminum heat bed, and durable components like 10 mm hardened steel linear shafts, the printer delivers stability and long-term reliability with minimal maintenance. It supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, PC, PA, carbon fiber, and glass fiber, making it versatile for standard and specialty filaments. With advanced features like an enclosed chamber heating system, dual cooling fans, input shaping, and pressure advance, it ensures exceptional print quality and precision. Equipped with Clipper firmware and QIDI software, the printer offers open-source flexibility for remote control and customization. Additionally, it includes 2 hot end kits, a copper-plated nozzle and a high-temperature hardened steel hot end for enhanced durability and adaptability. Fully assembled with auto-leveling capabilities, the X Max 3 is user-friendly and ready to use out of the box. Number 4. ELEGOO Neptune 2S 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 2S is a high-quality 3D printer designed for precision and ease of use. It features an upgraded all-metal dual-gear Bowden extruder, ensuring smoother filament feeding, reduced slippage, and increased printing accuracy. Its PEI sheet magnetic plate with a flexible steel build surface allows for strong filament adhesion without glue and easy removal of prints. The printer is equipped with durable aluminum leveling nuts for easier fine-tuning and long-lasting performance. It also includes smart features like a filament detection sensor that pauses printing when filament runs out and resumes from the last position, as well as a 32-bit motherboard with TMC2225 silent drivers for quiet operation under 50 dB. The Neptune 2S comes with a complete kit, including 4 extra nozzles, 2 joints, and professional technical support from ELEGOO. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer is a high-performance device designed for speed, precision, and ease of use. With a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second and a recommended speed of 150 mm per second, it offers more than 65% faster printing times compared to standard models, making it ideal for bringing ideas to life efficiently. Its upgraded extrusion and cooling systems, including a 60W hot end and a 7000 RPM cooling fan, ensure rapid filament melting and model formation. Enhanced features like linear propulsion and input shaping improve print quality by reducing spillage and resonance, resulting in smoother, clearer model details. The ELEGOO 2.0 automatic leveling system intelligently compensates for Z-axis offsets, catering to various user needs and simplifying the setup process for beginners. Constructed from durable aluminum and weighing only 18 ounces, this black printer also comes with excellent customer support, offering a 1-year after-service warranty and 24/7 technical assistance.